purpose does religion serve in our lives?
Well, the primary purpose of any religion, uh, why it was sent, or you say observed, or you say created by the prophets, whatever way anyone takes religion in this world, the primary purpose was to guide humanity. Guide humanity as in total or guide humanity individually as well. So every individual seeking anything out of the religions should seek guidance. Now there are two aspects to it. If you are not seeking guidance or you are not being guided by the religion, then there are two possibilities. Either the religion is wrong or probably your understanding of the religion is wrong. So people tend not to question the religion more. Instead, they should question their understanding first. Secondly, religion was sent to give you moral guidance. The infrastructure of living a guided life in life depends on the moral values you carry. And out of those moral values, you drive ethical values. So there you go, you have religion, it gives you moral values, ethical values. You put those moral values, ethical values onto yourself, you apply them and into the society, and you get a guided and a sustained society. But if it's not happening, there is something wrong.
Okay, then couldn't we have just reached this point ourselves?
Hypothetically speaking, uh, if you put this entire evolution process of the humanity into a framework, humans will not be able to reach this point of understanding without religion. Now the question is, were the religions sent? Were they created by the so-called human beings claiming to be prophets? Now the religious societies firmly believe that the prophets were sent by a divine energy, God, or whatever they call him. And then those prophets taught us how to follow and apply religion in our life and become a sustained and a civilized human society. Now, there are debates, we can debate on it, but to my understanding, religion is a very good thing sent to you by a divine energy or observed by great human beings to give you a better understanding of living life on this earth.
Okay, so you said that religion is a good thing, but how do we deal with the predicament of having thousands of religions and thousands of faiths?
Well, you see, Khurram, it's not the thing which is good or bad, it's the way how you use it. If I take a knife and I stab you, that knife would be classified as a bad thing. But if I take the same knife and cut a vegetable out from it, then that knife would be useful for me. Similarly, if you take a religion as an entity, religion was sent to guide humanity to create a sustained society on this earth. But since humans started exploiting religion for their own benefit, for their own greed, then the outcomes of the religion started coming very bloody. And the bloodshed is there all over in the world and in the name of religion. So it's we humans who need to understand collectively and decide that what are we exploiting out of religions. Now people not understanding this phenomena, they start blaming religion and they start cursing religion that it is a bad thing.
Okay, but that's good, but can you say that each and every religion is equal, or maybe someone teaches something better than the others? Or
Well, it's a very subjective thing to be discussed. Uh, Different religions are influenced by different geographical cultures as well. The area they are practiced, the type of people they are practicing it, the place it has been observed, sent, or revealed. So this entire amalgamation of culture, geographical understanding, the human race, the breed who is practicing it, it all subjectively depends upon and decides which religion is better for whom. See, if I am living in Antarctica and my religious and cultural understanding over there is different from people living near the equator, so there will be differences. So if I say that the religion followed in Antarctica is better here at equator, things won't match, and vice versa.
so, does the religion choose the people, or do the people choose the religion?
Well, apparently people choose the religion, but if you're
But
talking from a different perspective, let's say the spiritual perspective, then religion chooses people. It's a win-win situation both sides.
so technically, you the religion is supposed to guide the people, and yet these so-called people have to choose themselves whether they want to
Well, you
study.
see, if we put this hypothesis together with whatever we have discussed so far, then it's okay to say that religion guides people. But what are the people being guided by the religion are taking out of it? That's very subjective. See, I have this book, and this book can teach me. But am I willing to be taught from this book? So it's a two-way process. Doesn't matter if I give you the best religion in the world, whatever, whichever religion is best. Let's say we put a hypothesis and we found out that the best religion in this world is X. And I gave you that religion, but you don't follow it, you don't understand it, you don't apply it to the best of the level in your life. Will you get the benefit out of it? No, that's what we're discussing.